How to set up two-step verification on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Start by launching your Instagram. Make sure you have installed the latest version so that you won't miss out any new feature. After you have already done so, open the profile which is on the down right side. And now on the top right side, you will see there is three vertical lines right here. Tap on account center now. And after that, tap on password and security. Now you will see the option of two-factor authentication right here. Just tap on it and now set it up. Choose the account that you want to set it for. Now just tap the kind of security you want, SMS or WhatsApp or authentication app. I will choose SMS or WhatsApp. Now tap on the next option. Now you need to tap your phone number and the authentication a code will be sent on your phone. And just like that you will be continuing by your Google account or anything, and then you can simply set up two-factor authentication from your Instagram account. So this is how you can do that. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below.